All right, are we do another match? Try it again.
Yeah, there's 2 more maps. Well, there's actually a few more, but you have to be certain levels to get them.
We'll try the 2 other base maps at least.
Yeah. Next is the bank at least.
Oh, let's rob a bank. Let's do it. This time I'm gonna try not to kill as many people.
Well, yeah, just don't kill the civilians. Just let them leave. Okay, this time I'm not going to shoot randomly and set off the bad guys. Let's
that would be good, wouldn't it? That would be a good thought to like not do that.
Should we?
Drill. Have you taken the drill?
Yeah, I got a drill. Do you want to take your? You've got a drill as well. Yeah, that actually might be good.
Yeah, no. Look. This is my drill. You see how good my drill looks,
I know.
Morgan?
That's probably.
Doesn't my drill look great?
I don't know.
Doesn't my drill look great?
Can we go in here? No. Okay.
Oh, come on. That would have been cool.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Wait, is there any?
Yes. So wait. Hold on. I got this. Does
that work?
Yes, it does. It's working. Just let me do my thing.
Oh, okay. That's probably quiet, so it's probably
it's
good.
halfway. The bar is halfway. Hold on. I'm doing my thing.
You are having a spasm, by the way.
Yeah. It's all part of the territory,
okay.
You know. Open it.
Is it?
There we go. Bada beam, bada boom.
Okay.
Don't question how I do things, okay?
Oh, there's cameras.
We didn't see that one coming.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me have my fucking. There you go. Right, how do I? We'll have another spasm at the door real quick.
It's faster.
Having another spasm at the door. Having another spasm at the door. Oh, don't need to. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I think the screwdriver is quiet but slow, but this is fast and loud.
You see, I feel like if we'd just done it like we planned.
Hold on. Don't shoot anyone in here.
Oh, but there's so many people to shoot. Let me just do a lockpick real quick. No big deal. Let me just do a lockpick. There's lots of shooting going on, but I'm committed to. There we go. Did it.
Oh, shot's here.
Oh shit. So there is. Are you kidding me? That didn't work. Oh, they've opened it for us. Okay, thanks, guys. Give me that.
Oh.
Not working. Okay. Never mind.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. Did you do it?
No, I don't know how you do it.
Yeah. If you just click on it.
I thought I did click on it.
You didn't click hard enough.
Oh yeah, my bad. I'm so sorry.
Oh, do you have a... Do you have the screwdriver?
I do.
Or,
somewhere.
or drill?
I dropped it somewhere, but...
Oh.
Oh, god damn it, I dropped it on the floor and now one of these bastards have died and fallen on the fucking actual screwdriver, so I can't see it.
Yeah, okay. Hold on, is that my drill? No, that's not, that's ammo. Where did I put my drill? Oh! I went round. Okay, now we get to the, where's the bank? Where's the actual vault? Oh, it's in here.
Oh, we have a guy with armor. Guy with armor. It's a bullet sponge guy. Bullet sponge guy. Ow! Ow! We're in trouble.
Oh, that's why you were having a fit. You had to jiggle the lock. Okay.
Do it again. Do it again.
That's
Oh.
we'll have to use out. Hold on. There's one up here. Come up with me.
Bullet sponge guy. Bullet sponge guy's coming up. Where are you?
I'm upstairs. Oh. Oh, actually.
Go away. Can you help me with this guy, please? You're just having us
Sure.
in the corner when someone's shooting at us.
He's dead. Okay. We need to stop. We need to. Oh, hello.
Oh my good god.
What? Oh.
Oh god, that is so funny. Can you shoot the shield guy?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. This is
Wait,
the shield just hovering there now. Oh, there's a card. There's like a credit card here. Utility card.
Yeah, I think that's for when we need to, like, when we're actually doing it sneaky.
Oh, right, okay.
Did that open it? I did, you did, yeah, you opened it. Okay. Oh.
Oh, oh wait, I'm frozen. Alright.
Quick, come over here. Quick, get on this glass.
I can't get up. There we go. Whoa, my god!
Okay, let's go get the drill. The other drill.
Yeah, man, you got it. Let's do it. They'll never know we were here.
I mean, we still haven't got the money.
Why can't I? There's literal ammo in the truck. Can I not pick up ammo from here? Oh dear.
Yeah, that does seem a bit. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay.
Where am I going to? Upstairs?
What to the vault?
Oh yeah, yeah. Right.
I'm not at the vault because everyone is hacking me. Okay, here we go. I'm at it now. You here?
No, I'm not at the vault.
Okay, yeah, I need your protection.
I also need your protection.
Oh.
There's also a shield guy that won't leave me alone.
Well,
where is? I don't even know where the vault is, to be honest with you.
it's downstairs. I've done one.
Oh, I
Oh
found
yeah,
you.
yeah, I
Found you,
see.
found you,
Okay.
found you.
Okay, protect me. Oh, stop that car, for God's sake.
Can you get out of my face, sir? Oh, fuck
Oh no.
off.
Oh no.
This is an absolute fucking fuckfest. Can you get the shield guy? Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, okay, sorry.
These shield guys are
was really-
pissing me off.
Okay, protect me, I'm drilling. Okay. Okay.
Morgan, we have problem. We have problem.
Oh. Hold on. Reloading. Okay. Right. I got some paper. I don't know what this is for. How do we get out? Unarmed repairs. Where was our van? Did our van leave without us?
No. You need to go. Oh, I found it. Whereabouts are you?
Oh, I'm in the grey zone.
The grey zone? That's forbidden. Oh, there you go. Get out of our van. You're not allowed any other
Was this
car.
worth anything? Oh, this was worth a lot. Jeez. Okay.
Get it. Alright.
Alright.
Money.
Grab
Yeah,
the
that's
gold
the route.
first,
That's the route.
and
That's
then-
the route. That's the route. You got it. Right. I'm gonna grab this other gold bar.
Oh shit, there's so much. There's so much gold.
Oh,
I really wish they didn't step a fucking ring there.
I know that absolute wanker just came over, plopped down that fucking barbed wire, and was like, "Okay, goodbye. I'm leaving now. I've done my job. I'm proud of my life choices."
Yeah.
All right. Before the next load of squad comes in, or SWAT, whatever, we need to hurry up.
Oh, I lost the... Let's just grab as much gold as we can.
The gold bars is
don't-
what I'm... Oh god, here they come. Here they come. Be careful. Yeah, just grab as many gold bars as you can. They're all at the bus. Help me.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, me too. No.
No. Oh, damn. Okay.
How did we win the first one?
I don't know.
I think maybe the jewelry shop was easier, so maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Well, let's do the next hardest then.
Oh god. Oh yeah, what could go wrong?
Okay, this time we're gonna be sneaky, okay? Remember?
Alright, got it. Sneaky. We're gonna be so sneaky. How do you be sneaky?
Press ready up. That's the first step.
Ah, you see. Had me at the first hurdle, you know. Ooh,
Well, the
museum.
first time I accidentally shot my gun. The second time I ran in front of a camera.
I was gonna say, I feel like every time the alarm has gone off, it's
There's a
been your
bag.
fault. Oh,
You can grab bat. Oh my god.
wouldn't those
We're
be
morons.
useful? Huh?
We're fucking morons.
Wouldn't these bags
Alright.
be useful, huh? Alright,
Let's
lockpick.
Let's go with the screwdriver first.
Alright, there's
Oh.
only one screwdriver. Oh no, there's a second one.
Yeah.
Where are you? I've already lost you.
I've gone by the park.
I
over
fucking
here.
lost you already.
No, not in the park, just by the park. I'm over here on the other side. Come on. Here.
Hey, little boy, come on. I'm right here. Come on. Let me touch
Okay.
your wee wee.
I don't. Wait. Okay, here we go.
I was about to say, if we're gonna do
Okay.
a whole loop of the museum before we just end up going through the front entrance.
Okay, right. Get Son's pistols out.
Come on, open.
Oh fuck! For God's sake!
What happened this time?
I don't know. Oh.
Wait, how
Oh.
did that happen already?
I don't know really. Oh, okay.
Okay, I guess we just stay the course with our silenced pistols.
You want to stay on that one, and I'll go find the other one.
Sure. Works for me.
Oh, the police are here,
Oh yes, there they are.
and the SWAT.
Excellent. Good timing. Just here for the party. Wow, this game music is actually quite cool.
Oh, God. Okay.
They just shut
I'm
the door
probably
on
gonna
me.
be dead. Oh. Oh, thank God. Oh, stop that guy! Stop that guy! Oh, it was sabotaged. Oh.
Sir?
You have to reset it.
Did I ask? Alright, cool. Let me just...
You have to reset it.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
I'm literally guarding the store now. I'm not moving a muscle.
Okay, sure. I will keep.
Why have I got jiggle lockpick just on my screen permanently right now?
Probably bug.
Excellent. I guess I will do what it says. I'll just do a little jiggle.
Toilet. Okay.
Go away. Go away. Done.
I have to do both.
Done it.
Okay.
Go away. Thank you. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
yes, you do that.
Oh shit. Leave me alone! Go away! Right, where are we going?
Start with the next one.
Okay,
I started the next one is there.
nice. I guess I'll guard it.
Yeah. I'll go find out what we're actually stealing.
Alright.
Because I'm...
It's a diamond! Probably.
Oh,
Wait.
what was it there?
Fuck off.
Is it this? Art exhibit, yeah, maybe it's that.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. SWAT guy. With the shield. Can you shoot this guy?
I can
Shoot the
try.
shield guy.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh.
I'm out of ammo.
Well, that's...
I have a shield guy of my own, so I don't think. Fuck off!
Oh no.
Fuck off!
Oh.
Oh, I hate these shield guys so much!
Okay, got him.
Alright, done it.
Okay.
Power box is done.
Oh, dead. Oh, I'm down. Shield guy.
Where are you? Okay.
Here.
Oh, fuck you! Can you... I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. I'm actually gonna die. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, yeah, you're dead.
Oh, my good God.
Right. Should we do the first one, but, like, try and do it sneaky?
Yeah, let's try all sneaky-like. How about that?
Yeah.
Let's do all sneaky-like.
Because we need to
Because things are not working
practice
out.
that.
Alright.
Okay.
Time
Right, grab the...
I've got my
grab
toothpick. Let's do this. You ready to toothpick this door? Like it's
Okay, hold on,
nobody's
there's a
business.
guy. Let me shoot in the back of the head.
Oh.
Oh, I missed.
I love how he didn't notice that. He noticed it.
Okay,
Oh,
now he's dead.
he dropped something.
What did he drop?
His mobile phone.
Oh! It's got a countdown on it. Hello? Ah.
Isn't that
Right.
a problem, huh? Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Look down, get down, go and jiggy with it. Getting down, jiggy with it.
Okay, well, since we're doing this loud and fast, I'll go grab a bag.
Ah!
I'll go grab a drill first.
People are being mean already.
Oh, you can... Nice. You can put the drill in the bags.
Oh, that helps. That helps a lot. Oh, we got
Yeah,
SWAT here already.
I got you your drill as well. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Let's do this. Do you want to make the shortcut through the window? Like last time?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that once. Okay, protect me while I drill.
Protecting. This guy is really freaking out. Okay. Still nothing. Oh shit.
Okay. Oh yeah, we need to do the power boxes.
Oh, I can't.
Okay,
I'll go.
I'll go.
Oh shit, okay. For fuck's sake.
I'll go do the one upstairs. You do that one.
Oh, no, I'm getting shot at. Go away! It's like they don't want us to steal, you know?
Yeah, like, oh, come on,
We're just trying to make a dishonest living.
Yeah, oh my god, that's so unfair. Oh. Hello? Oh, we only do one at a time, that's annoying.
Oh, come on. 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 Come on.
Can you...
Come on. 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 Done it.
Can you do your power box?
No. I can't seem to open this bloody door! Morgan, I'm losing my mind.
Why are you...
I can't... I already did this! I'm losing my fucking mind. Morgan, I'm having an aneurysm. I'm having a stroke.
Why?
Because this door won't fucking open. And I've been lockpicking it for the last minute! Oh my good god. Oh, thanks for opening it for me. Goodbye.
Oh. I can see you.
Good for you.
You meant to use your hand on the... I'm on the camera.
Good for you, man. I'm being shot at. Thanks for being such support.
You're welcome. You're doing well there.
Yeah,
keep going.
Thanks
you going for that door?
Thanks for the moral support, man. I really would appreciate
where have you
the
gone
ground
now?
control.
Oh, you going in that door? Oh no, you've gone out again. Okay,
Morgan.
that's good. Oh, the died. Quick, shoot him.
I am shooting him.
Shoot him in the head.
I was shooting him, but it wasn't working. Yeah, if you can see on the cameras, you can see how much trouble I'm in. Can you come help me?
I have my own issues. Oh no, I'm in trapped.
I'm dead.
Oh,
I'm dead.
I'm dead as well. When I was looking at the cameras, they all surrounded me and I couldn't shoot them all because my gun was behind their head.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Okay, look, we're doing that one more time, okay?
No, we're not. That's so...
Oh. Fine.
That was a travesty. What do you mean we're doing it again? Oh, God.